Uh, Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to No Stress Futures Trading. Today is Tuesday, July 29th. We're coming into a July month end, and let's go over this week's range. So go over, start with Monday, Monday high. As always, Monday's low, and we do have here kind of daily imbalance. And let's go. And it looks like we have a new week fair value open gap here right off the hop. So let's break this down to the 4 hour. And actually we could go to the weekly and mark out the weekly highs right here, last week's high. So last week high. Yeah, go down to the 4 hour here. That was Friday. Friday here. So we did close this gap already. So okay, we don't. So we could remove this. And this was last week's high here. Already touched it. Already closed this. Let's go to the 1 hour then. I'll take a better look here. It's already tucked this already yesterday. Took this low. It's already filled this gap here. So I do have got here a 1 hour fair value gap. Right, pretty much where last week's high is still here. Today, so we're testing again last Monday's high. Let's go with this. So we do have, if we drop, let's have a liquidity zone here with these double bottoms here. Never got taken out at the 407, 408. For now, we are looking more bullish. As we're breaking new all-time highs again. Down to 15. Check out our London session. So London high here, making new highs. As Asia low, Asia high. We have an order block here. The 15-minute order block, bullish order block. And Monday's low. So now I would only look for a short. Um, if somehow, if we have the New York come up here, swing low, go down, cut here, and target 1, then target 2 for a short. Take at least this lows. Market structure shift with a close below this order block here. So something like this, or even down here. If we get a short, for a long, if we drop all the way down here, we take these lows, regain, then back up for long. And then at least take out, so Monday's range low. So for a short, but we are making higher highs, so unless we got a change in market structure here with the 15-minute close before this order block, no trade for me. I'll just wait, see what New York brings. But that's the key levels I'm looking out for right now. And yeah, it's also month end. And let's check out the news. So I believe tomorrow we got FOMC. So another, could be some chop around today till the news. We got a bunch of news coming out tomorrow. Non-farm, Bank of Canada, funding rate, and FOMC. Then month end on Thursday. So yeah, it's gonna be, I believe, a little bit choppy. So tight ranges, and probably I won't be trading uh, on Thursday month end, just because from what I found, it's a very low probability day for trades, and I won't be taking any trades. And maybe be on Friday, but this week it's probably not the best week with all the news and the month end. So a lot of chop, expecting a lot of chop, and it's also coming into August. Probably not the highest probability days to trade. But if you do trade, keep your lot sizes down. And yeah, that's what I've been looking out. Please like, subscribe, comment.